Hello everybody, it's Murray here and welcome back to my channel M Stuart Paintings. Last week I was in Ibiza, Spain, enjoying some of the gorgeous, most beautiful sunsets in the world. And I thought, why not come back and make a gorgeous painting time-lapse video for all you guys, and you can see this scene here and how I created it into a gorgeous painting. So let's get into it.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running and blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, cause if you're gonna leave me then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, cause if you're gonna leave me then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me then just do it. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, cause if you're gonna leave me then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me then just do it.
Bright flashing by